Hey guys, welcome and welcome back. If you don't know, I'm Whisker and thank you for tuning in. I know I've been taking a break. I haven't been posting for a minute, just life happened, but I'm so happy to be back. I'm definitely going to try to post more every week, and this video will be about my experience in Colombia. So I went to Colombia for my birthday, and guys, it was just a unique experience. I enjoyed it a lot. I'm going to be talking about the cons and the pros of Cartagena, Colombia. Also, I will be inserting pictures and clips because I didn't get the chance to vlog. So I'm going to just put it on the side and so you guys could understand me a little bit more. So let's get started. I had tons and tons of questions and I'm going to answer it all in this video. So before I start with the con, I just want to say that, like I said, I had a great experience. I enjoyed myself. The only thing is the curfew. So that's the first con, curfew. So in Cartagena, Colombia, on the weekdays, everything closed at 8 p.m. And on the weekends, everything closed at 2 p.m., which sucks, especially if you want a nightlife and you still want to party. On the weekends, 2 p.m., what? When I got there on Sunday, the Airbnb I was in was everything is closed at 2 p.m. But, if you're hungry, you could order takeouts and stuff like that. And that's good. But, you want to go out and enjoy. You on vacation. You want to go out and enjoy yourself. So that's kind of a bummer. So just consider it that if you the type of person that wants don't care about a nightlife and still want to enjoy themselves, then go ahead. But if you still want to party and all that, I would second guess coming to Cartagena because there's a curfew going on right now. And another con is the vendors. Guys, oh my god, once we stepped out of the taxi to go to the Airbnb, they was already at it. The vendors will harass you to buy something from them 24/7. That is so annoying. Like I said, I love Cartagena, but the vendors are very aggressive. You will have to say no at least 10 times. And even when you ignore them and go about your day, they still harassing you. I don't know, there's another way to go about it. Guys also get harassed too. I thought it was just females, but guys get harassed as well. It sucks. It sucks bad. If you don't want to be harassed or touched, because sometimes they touch you, that's another thing. Keep in tune, guys, because I will be talking about the touching as well. Cartagena's not for you, child. There's gonna be times you be at a restaurant trying to enjoy your meal, but you really can't because it's a vendor after a vendor harassing you, and you keep saying no gracias, no gracias. No, you even try not to make eye contact with you, and they just gonna still stand there selling. And it's annoying. There was a day where me and my siblings, I went with my siblings to Cartagena, and we had to go inside the restaurant so we don't have to be harassed. You can't go out there and enjoy your meal because the vendors, they own it. Don't get me wrong, I'm all about hustling, but when somebody tell you no once, keep it going. And that's what these vendors don't understand. They don't know what no is, and they're gonna keep trying. So that's real annoying. And another thing is be alert. It's common sense to go to a foreign country and be alert, but with Cartagena, Colombia, you need to be extra alert because these locals could sometimes be thieves. I personally saw somebody pickpocket another tourist, and thank God we got her phone back. But please be alert, especially where you place your items at. Always leave it in your bag, never leave it in your back pocket, because these locals are very smart. And not all locals are thieves, but just be alert because you never know, anything could happen. And one last con is I went out there when there was protesting, so that kind of limit me to doing activities and going to places because most of the protests was in Old Town, and that's where like everything is at. Everything is at Old Town in Cartagena. So it stopped me from, you know, going to restaurants, going to a bar, enjoying myself, because it was closed due to the protest. So that was another con, was the protest. I understand they, you know, fighting for their rights and stuff like that. That's awesome. But that will limit you to doing things that you want to do and places you want to go. Like, I know, like, my Ubers couldn't go to certain places just because the streets were closed due to the protest. So just be aware of that as well, guys. So now let's get to the pro. And if you guys keep like looking at me looking out, it's because I'm trying to get to every question, to every point that I'm trying to talk about. So first thing first, location. I was in an Airbnb close to where the tourist is at, of course, where the tourist location is at, and I was like right across from the Hilton hotels. I forgot the name of the Airbnb. I'm gonna write it down below, and also I'm gonna post the link of the Airbnb. I did like it. It was in a good location. Like, we was by restaurants, pharmacies, bars. It was great location. So I would definitely recommend the Airbnb. Now, second, transportation. The transportation in Cartagena Colombia is great. Like, you could do Uber or you could do a taxi, but what we was doing Uber all the time because the price is there. Sometimes the taxi like to overcharge, and they always said to negotiate your price. So, you know, if you do want to do taxis, always try to negotiate it for cheaper. But we always got an Uber, and it didn't give us no issue. The most we probably spent on Uber was like $3. Like, the price for Uber is really, really good. Like, $3 for like a 20-minute ride. So that's not bad at all. Now, food. Yes. What I could say is the food out there is awesome. My favorite, like, I don't know if it's a food or a snack, but arepa con huevo, like, that is my favorite. Like, to this day, I'm still like missing the arepa con huevo. Like, I'm gonna try one day. I'm gonna try how to make it. Food out there is awesome. I like it a lot. Also, they have seafood as well. We had shrimp fried rice out there. We was at a good spot where there was tons of restaurants, tons of options that we had, and the food was amazing. We liked it. Now, another pro is the activities. I was there Sunday through Saturday, and like, starting from Tuesday, I was doing activities every day. So I was like occupied. I was never bored, honestly. I was supposed to do a activity on Monday, but like I said, the protest was going on, so that stopped my activity. It was a food tour activity, so we rescheduled it for Friday. And what I did was, sorry guys, I'm just looking at my nose. I went to Old Town tour. It was awesome. I enjoyed it. Old Town is bomb and beautiful. The history is awesome as well. Like, of course, I'm gonna be posting pictures on the side. We saw a lot. The tour man was awesome, Sam. I booked my tour through Vader.com. I'm gonna post the link down below. And my tour guide was Sam. He was awesome. So it was a great tour. We also walked around, of course, saw Old Town. Also, we went to other areas that was around Old Town as well. I'm sorry, I can't recall, but I'm gonna post pictures. Oh yeah, we also went to like a street with like a lot of street arts. I'm sorry guys, I wish I could remember, but it's like right close to Old Town, and he took us there, and it was just so beautiful. The pictures, the art, it was beautiful. And then we went to a street, I forgot what it called, but it started with a G. It had like umbrellas and stuff like that. It was just so beautiful. Like, I really enjoyed it a lot. So that was one of our activity, was the Old Town tour. And then our second activity was Playa Blanca, guys. Like, whew, ciao. And that was the day of my birthday. So, you know, I wanted to just enjoy the sun, soak up the sun, you know, soak up the nice white water. And, you know, drink. It's my birthday, so why not? But them vendors, guys, oh my God. Playablanca is beautiful, but you can't really enjoy it because the vendors out there is aggressive and rough. And then there's massage ladies. If you like massages, that's fine. But me personally, I don't want somebody touching me. And the massage lady do not respect at all. Like, they would just automatically touch you. So if you're the type of person that don't want to be touched, I would say, I don't know what to say, honestly, because it was beautiful out there. But if you don't want to be touched, it's no guarantee that you won't be touched, because they really come out the blues and they start touching your shoulders and you just be like, what the hell? But for real, guys, like, Playablanca is beautiful, but the vendors is aggressive. And that's another thing that, like, it just, the vendors, like, that what really kind of like messed up our trip most of the time, is the vendors, the massage ladies, and also rappers. You will see rappers out there. The rappers, I'm not gonna lie, they were cute for the first 2 days, but then, like, after two days, they were annoying. Like, I personally was tired of the rappers. Some people like the rappers. I was personally tired of the rappers, guys. So, but back to Playablanca though. Playablanca is beautiful, but the vendors are aggressive and the massage ladies are aggressive as well. Even when you say no, they still bothering you. So, but Playablanca is extremely beautiful, and you know, you could swim and all that, do snorkeling. You could also do jet skis, and you could do a banana boat. So you could do all of that. You could do activities out there, you know. Just be patient, because the vendors, they just come after vendors, and it's just annoying. So our third activities we did was the volcano. Now the volcano is great. Like, I enjoyed it. I was drunk, but I enjoyed it, guys. Like, the volcano was bomb. I went up there with my brother, and we just enjoy ourselves. It's good for your skin. It's good for your body, and we like the volcano. Like, that's another activity I would recommend you guys doing, is the volcano. It was a fun and a great experience, and it's good for your skin as well. Our fourth activity was a boat party. We did that on Friday, and you know, it was a cute boat party. I enjoyed myself. The thing is that all the activities that I did, guys, I'm gonna post it down below. The thing is with this boat party is that they only serve beer. If you're a beer drinker, that's fine, but me, I don't drink beer, I drink liquor. So that kind of messed up my mojo, but you know, I still enjoy myself and stuff like that. So I do recommend you getting your own liquor. And it's crazy because it says like open bar. So when you think of an open bar, you think they're gonna have liquor, you know, all type of things, but they only have beer. So, and it's limited too. It's only 3 beer per person. So yeah, but other than that, if you don't drink, you won't have a good time. But if you do drink and you drink liquor, please bring your own liquor. So that's like the only thing with the boat party, but everything else was awesome. The people were great, the music was great, and I enjoyed myself. And then the last activity was the food tour, which was on Friday. That food tour was awesome. Of course, I had some arepa, and it was great. Like, I enjoyed it. I'm gonna insert all the pictures on the side that we tried all the food. I like arepa, and also my favorite was empanadas chinas. Now that was good. Like, it was so good, guys. But that food tour, I enjoyed my food tour. Like, it was great. It was good. The people were nice, the guides were nice. We had two tour guides. We had a woman, we had a man. I forgot their names, I'm sorry, but they were awesome. I enjoyed them and they were great. Yeah, so that's my activity. That's what I did, and I enjoyed most of the parts. So now moving on to places that I recommend, and of course it's Old Town. I was not in Old Town now. Of course I was in the New Town, but if I do come back, I would definitely be at Old Town because that's where it's at. Like, it's a nightlife, like, because there's all type of things going on, but you know, of course everything still had to close at 8 p.m. because there was a curfew. But a place that I recommend is Solar Bar and Food. Okay, they have like a high rating on TripAdvisor, and I definitely will recommend it. Like, great food, great music, great drinks. It was great, and the people are very nice too in Solar. So I would definitely recommend going to Solar. Like, that was my top spot in Cartagena, Colombia. Like, it was great. We was there till like 8 p.m. We moving on to currency. The money out there goes a long way. Like, for real. Like, $100 US, I think it's like 100,000 Colombian pesos. So the currency goes a long way, which is a good thing in my book. Like, I honestly feel like I probably spent like $20, I think. Then like my Ubers were like no more than $2, and that was awesome. Like, honestly, that's like a very good thing, and I appreciate Cartagena for that. So the currency out there goes a very long way. Well, I'll go back to Cartagena, yes, of course, but I would be in a different location. I probably will go back to Old Town. So that's about it, guys. That's my experience, guys. Thank you for tuning in. I hope I answer all you guys' questions, because Cartagena is so beautiful, and of course I want you guys to go. I recommend it. Please, you know, be aware, be alert, be patient with these vendors. But overall, I enjoy myself, and I definitely will go back. So yeah, guys, so thank you for tuning in. I definitely will be, you know, doing more vlogs and stuff like that, because I will be traveling. Summer is here. Summer's almost here. So thank you, guys. And also, I will be doing my DIYs back again. I'm gonna post a DIY next week, so stay in tune, guys. So yeah, all right, guys, bye.